this one is kind of cool. It's a SmallRig potato jet. Free your dream. All these SmallRigs say free your dream. Let's get this out the way. It's got all kinds of tape here, like it'd been retaped. I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, it's just a bad tape job. Or just to make sure, to keep it secure, it just kind of gave it that look like it'd been retaped. But maybe just extra protection to keep it from opening. What the? Too much tape. It's got a nice case. Man, this thing's gonna be too big to travel with, airplane or whatever. Oh, I just dropped something. Oh, thought I heard a noise and it was zippers. Yeah, this thing's big. It's not gonna be cool travel with. Oh yeah, this thing's big. Oh man, what did I do? What did I get myself into with this thing? I have to pay another baggage fee for this thing on the airplane. Yeah, I'll stick it in my big suitcase. Oh, it's heavy too. Oh, there goes all the weight for the plane. Holy smokes. Wow. Okay, this is a hefty, you can feel the weight too. This is the aluminum. They had the carbon, and I was like, a couple kilos ain't gonna make that big of a difference. Wow, you can feel this, but it feels hefty. And the reason I got this, let's see how this goes, but you're supposed to I lifted it up, close it, lift up. Okay, yeah, little lock here, little locking mechanism, locks it. So the reason I got this one was you're supposed to just push on the handle and your legs come out. That's it. You're good to go. Voila. 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 Oh man, all these heads. Guess here you just pick one. do this one. Not to read the instructions also. Maybe you're supposed to take one of these out. But we'll do this for now. All these different heads. Wow, that's it. Let me get it to balance, stay in place. Wow. Put it back in. It's got a little button here on the side. Put that in there. Well, not much more you can say or do. Oh, I thought there was a handle. There we go. This. Okay. Looks like this goes here. A little protector. It looks like you put it on either side. This happened to go on that side. Oh. It says extend. Oh, look at that. Up. And how do you, there we go. Up, down. Where's the left and right? Oh, there we go. Beautiful. So I was thinking is, if I can put the crane on top of this, then the camera on the crane, that way if you happen to move around, it'll be gimbalized. It'll keep it steady. Somehow I put this. Well, it's got the little screw on the bottom. So you just put that there and the camera on top. And that way it'll keep it nice and smooth at all times. But still, well, this is nice if you're not going to be moving it around. Stay stationary. Oh, look at that. If you move it, it's supposed to come back to center. Look at that. Amazing. So, I had done another tripod, and a person asked to just see it standing, but this thing, I'm gonna have to move the tripod, everything. It's just maybe right here on the table. Oh. That's what it looks like on the table. See if you can see it from there. Oh no. All right. Let's do this. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. Oh yeah. That's it. So now I gotta figure out how to pack it. It weighs a lot. All right, how's that? The Potato Jet TRIBEX SmallRig. Yeah, TRIBEX SmallRig for your dreams. All right. Oh, we're done. Ugh. So what I was trying to do is I put the SmallRig, the Z1 crane plate, the number 2 plate, and I was kind of hoping that I can just have that one plate here and go here with that one. Just take the camera out, put it there, and then eliminate one plate. But what I'm finding out is that I'll be able to go left and right, but not forward. So I won't have a forward tilt. So that's not gonna work. And then the handle will be kind of weird here on the, like this. And so all I do is just go tilt left and right, but not forward and back. So that's not gonna work. All right, but I can do this, it'll stay in place. All right, and I'm just trying to figure out how to, if I had to or wanted to, go from here to there. I got all these different plates. That one goes here. That one goes there. Oh well, that's for another day. Time to go to bed. All right, we're done. Oh. Oh. All these little buttons and stuff. Yeah. So that's the plate that goes here. But like I said, it goes sideways. And here I need it to go this way in order to be able to tilt on the tripod. All right, we'll figure that out later. Oh, we're dead. They're done, recruit. And then saw a guy do this. That's it. It's folded. Got a button here, push down, and then this little thing here pops that in place. Well, it's heavy. Oh man. This was not heavy. I don't think this fits in the carry-on. Unless, no, I was thinking unless I fold the legs this way, but then the head's too big. It's not gonna close. All right, well, gonna go to the suitcase, but man, I don't know what it weighs. Let's see if the weight's on here. £11. There goes 20% of your suitcase weight. Oh man. All right, but it's nice. I like it. We're done.